from J House. I am really grateful to present our topic. Here is our robot. Our robot is a smart cleaning robot using Arduino Uno and ultrasonic sensor. It uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacles and an Arduino Uno to control its working. This project is designed to clean floors automatically with minimal human efforts. The aim of this project is to clean floors automatically, avoid obstacles, and clean the floor efficiently.
Its components are the Arduino Uno SCR04 ultrasonic sensor and the L29A10 motor driver, batteries and DC motor. It works via the ultrasonic sensor which detects its obstacles. Then the ultrasonic sensor sends the signal to the Arduino. The Arduino tells the motor driver to turn away at the correct time. Thus it avoids the obstacles and continues working automatically.
It is a low costing and it is AI based navigation. Sakshi Sharma presenting our model on the topic voice automation. It is a modern technology which helps humans to control the device with the spoken commands without using typing or pressing the buttons. It combines speech recognition, AI technology and automation which recognize the speech of the human and process it to the device, and then the device show result in a very few seconds and accurately.
As you all know, voice automation is a technology that enables machines to understand and respond to spoken commands. When a user speaks, a microphone captures a voice. Speech recognition software then converts the spoken words into text. Artificial intelligence then converts the text, understands the user request and instructs the device. The device then finally performs the required task and may even respond through a speaker.
को कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ। क्या आप इनमें से किसी डिवाइस को चालू करना चाहते हैं?
Turn on TMIS copter.
अच्छा, TMIS कॉप्टर चालू करना हो। डायरेक्टर सत्येंद्र कौर।
Turn off TMIS copter.
सत्येंद्र कौर, टीएमएस कॉप्टर बंद कर दिया गया है। कुछ और मदद चाहिए?
From Sangha House. This is a smart security school project using ESP32, Telegram and IoT. This functions as like these are included Telegram, Internet of Things, sir, multiple sensors, sir, microcontrollers, and sir, the cameras also. We have used two sensors. First is magnetic sensor and second is vibrating sensor. You can see this sensor is the magnetic sensor. The magnet placed here on the gate. When someone opens the door, the magnet goes away from the magnetic sensor and the magnetic sensor alarms on the telegram that someone has opened the door. Second is vibrating sensor, which is just placed behind the door. When a thief or someone opens the door very quickly or firmly, it will alarm on the telegram that someone has opened the door. Sir, if I vibrate this, the buzzer does not beat, but the system sends the alert warning that the gate is vibrating. Now, if I move to ultrasonic sensor security bridge system, if I move my hands to this, it will detect my hand as an intruder and sends the warning. corridor. Here we have also placed an ultrasonic sensor. If someone tries to break in through the room, it will immediately detect and notify us in the telegram. Here we have placed ESP32 cam. It is used to capture the images of the intruder so we can identify the intruder and support investigation. If anyone blocks the passageway of this light, the siren will become on. Like this.
A smart soil detector system is used to measure the moisture level present in the soil. It is helpful for the farmers and gardeners to know when a plant needs water. It also saves water and increase soil quality and fertility.
Aim of our project is to make a system that check moisture level in the soil and tell whether the soil wet, dry or moist.
See, this is the NPK sensor, which is firstly inserted into the soil. Then it will detect the phosphorus, nitrogen and potassium level of the soil. Then it starts producing signals to the Arduino Uno, and these signals are transferred by the Arduino Uno to these jumper wires. Then Arduino Uno read all the signals transferred by this NPK sensor. Then Arduino Uno reflects all these sensors to this monitor screen. Then it has shown nitrogen level, which is 34%. It is low, and phosphorus is 47% and potassium is 95%. The main aim of our project is to provide right information for the farmers on right time.
बच्चों ने बहुत सारा मेहनत किया है, ये भी मैंने विजुलाइज किया है, और उन्होंने अपने प्रोजेक्ट में बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट का इस्तेमाल किया है, और जो नई टेक्नोलॉजिकल अपडेट है उसमें उसके बिहाफ पे उन्होंने जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है वो वाकई में बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे देख करके, और बच्चों का जो प्रयास है वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। और मेरी बच्चों से ये शुभकामनाएं हैं कि ये जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल जो इवेंट्स हैं, आपके जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं, इसमें और थोड़ा फोकस करने की आवश्यकता है, और आप अपने करियर को और ब्राइट करते हुए आप अपने गोल को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। तो मेरी ओर से आपके लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
All the students were very hardworking and very expressive. Unlike me, I'm not very good in it. So you are more better than me. So all the technical innovations were very good, and the competition is not actually with others. It's actually with the one of you yesterday. So keep it up and keep working. Thank you so much.
आप लोगों के इनोवेशंस देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छे आइडियाज आपने लगाए। अच्छा है इस तरीके की जो पहल है, या एक ये लैब जो पीएम इंटरनेशनल ने आपको प्रोवाइड करी है स्कूल ने, तो बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत अच्छी है। आप एटलीस्ट अभी से जानने लगे हैं कि क्या क्या सेंसर ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं, और डेफिनेटली आपके फ्यूचर को बहुत आगे ले जाएंगे। एक डिसाइडिंग आपका करियर के लिए डिसाइडिंग रोल बन सकता है ये, कि हमें किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, किस डायरेक्शन को चूज करना है। तो आप सभी को आपके फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद। बच्चों बहुत अच्छा करें आप, और सर का और टीएम मैनेजमेंट का मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। आपने हमें बुलाया, इस ओकेजन का एक हिस्सा बनाया, एक टीएम का एक हमें हिस्सा बनने का मौका मिला। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत आभार सर। Blessings go to the students, especially to that. There is a principle policy we need to declare the result, because it was a competition. But before declaring it, I would like to say that all of you have won. सब जीते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता बच्चों कि मैं फर्स्ट हूँ या सेकेंड हूँ, ठीक है। जजेस
सर अब करना तो है, कंपटीशन है, बच्चे इसी चीज के लिए मेहनत कर रहे थे कि हमारा क्या होगा. So cross your fingers, get ready. All are excited. Okay. Nobody's on the phone. Everybody has got the positions. The third position goes to Pratap House. One of the fantastic automation project they have found, Auto Voice. So give a huge round of applause again for Pratap House and the students, the teamwork.